please subscribe.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is Fire Friday, September 8th. In today's video, I have one play for you, one play only. And before I go into the plays, let me just delve into yesterday's recap of the overall markets. It's very imperative that you pay attention to what's going on in the overall markets. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.17% yesterday, settling at 34,500, the Dow. NASDAQ begging to differ. They closed down 0.89% at 13,748, the NAS. Apple closed down a whopping 2.92% yesterday, trading at $177.56. $177.56, Apple. There were no triple-digit closers yesterday. Let's see what happens today. Dave's play today is a SP play, in and out, grab and go, one and a move. Do not overstay your welcome. AGBA is up 33% thus far in the pre at 94 cents at the recording of this video. The company came out with news. Williamsburg Venture investing $50 million in the company. $50 million, that's what's driving the stock upwards right about now. The higher day thus far in the pre-markets, $1.28. If this one retracts below 94 cents today, this might be a no-go. This one is in the financial space, headquarters out of Hong Kong. This one is spikeable. For example, on January 3rd through January 13th, 2 trading weeks. The stock went from $1.48 all the way to $6.30. $1.48 to $6.30. AGBA. Let's kick the tires. They were a market cap of 45 million, 11 million in the float. 87% of the float are held by insiders. Let me say that again. 87% of the float are held by insiders. This tells me directors and officers are putting their money where their mouth is. 2% of the float are held by institution. Shorts has 2% of the float, AGBA. 53 million in revenues. Their revenue per share, 0.89. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 325% year over year. I will repeat. Quarterly revenue growth is up 325% year over year. This is AGBA. They have a total cash of 4 million and a whopping debt of 18 million, bringing their current ratio to a lousy 0.56. Don't hold this one too long. This one might go bankrupt. A current ratio of 1 is at par, meaning for every dollar in debt, the company has $1 in cash. This one is way below par, 0.56, AGBA. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on X @ThePetite for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And whenever you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bum. Make your next trade your best trade. Have a great weekend.
Do remember, if you wish to open a trading account, check out my Webull link below. You will get some free stocks. Minimum deposit required is 1 penny, just 1 penny only. Also, pre-market hours trading starts at 4 a.m. sharp. 4 a.m. sharp with Webull. Webull only, the way to go. Pre-market hours trading is very risky. It's not for the risk averse.
Got a lot of money, invest it in a Dave play. Every day, you want your money hatch? Subscribe to Dave Natch. Foot 4 gas, rich.
Yeah, this is Danny B, the Jingle King. I have a little argument for going. But here, I find myself with that money. And instead, I'm squander it and go on with foolishness and go along with. You want your money hatch? Subscribe to Dave Natch. Please, me I tell you now. Go on, go make the money now, please. Yeah, man. Want to do it fast and quick here? Subscribe to Dave Natch. Fast, don't stop. Every day, you want the money go? Check Dave's play. Invest. Interest. Bless.
welcome back to Dave Newell's channel. Don't forget to hit that like, please subscribe and share.
To listen to their words. One evening he did hear the ox bemoaning to the ass the hardness of his lot. I do labor pulling the plow from morning until night, no matter how hot the day or how tired my legs or how the bow doth chafe my neck, still must I work. But you are a creature of leisure. You are trapped with a colorful blanket and do nothing more than carry our master about where he wishes to go. When he goes nowhere, you do rest in the green grass all the day. Now the ass, in spite of his vicious heels, was a friendly fellow and sympathized with the ox. My good friend, he replied, you do work very hard and I would not ease your lot. Therefore, will I tell you how you may have a day of rest. In the morning, when the slave comes to fetch you to the plow, lie upon the ground and bellow much, that he may say you are sick and cannot work. So the ox took the advice of the ass, and the next morning the slave returned to the farmer and told him the ox was sick and could not pull the plow. Then, said the farmer, hitch the ass to the plow, for the plowing must go on. All that day, the ass, who had only intended to help his friend, found himself compelled to do the ox's task. When night came and he was released from the plow, his heart was bitter, and his legs were weary, and his neck was sore where the bow had chafed it. The farmer lingered in the barnyard to listen.